Hey, what's up guys? Tim Dessaint here. Today is going to be simple and straightforward. We're gonna go over an easy step-by-step process to maintaining a short beard in great condition, all by yourself. Because if you are in lockdown right now and cannot visit your local barber, I'm sure you've probably been struggling with your facial hair and just overall hair upkeep. Personally, I'm quite lucky to have long hair, so I'm fine on that department. But I do usually have the habit of going to the barbershop every week or so to maintain my beard the way I like it, which is quite short. So during lockdown, I have had to learn to maintain it on my own, and actually with a little bit of practice, it's actually not too hard to achieve a decent result. So let's get straight into it. Here's how to go from this to this. Step number 1, trimming. Grab your beard trimmer and set it to your desired grade. For a short beard, somewhere between 3 and 7 millimeters is pretty good. Now there's different ways to go about it. You can technically trim your beard the same length all over, but personally I like to go for different lengths for different areas of the beard. For example, going for shorter sides and leaving slightly more length on the chin area and the mustache will help give more structure to your jawline, and thus better defining the lower portion of your face. I like to go for 2 to 3 millimeters on the cheeks, getting that short stubble, and then 5 millimeters on the mustache, and a longer 7 millimeters around the chin. I also try to give it a slight fade so the division between the cheeks and the rest of the beard isn't too crazily pronounced, and the same from the neck to the chin. I'm definitely no expert, but I just start with the longer areas and then try to gradually decrease the grade. I mimic my barber's hand motions and hope for the best. For homemade trim, I think that's not too bad. I usually trim it back to this length once a week. Step 2, shaving. A very important step. This is what's going to make your beard look like you're actually taking care of it. So for your cheeks, you want to draw an imaginary line between the middle of your ear and the corner of your mustache, and then shave everything above it. Except your eyebrows. Don't shave your eyebrows. For your neckline, some people prefer to just fade it to 0. I actually do quite like that look myself, but I don't have the skills to do a proper fade to 0, so instead, when shaving at home, I go for a clean line, 2 fingers above the Adam's apple. Well, technically it's more of a half circle than a line because it goes around your neck. And there you go, nice and clean. This is going to make your beard look a lot better, and depending on how fast your facial hair grows, I'd recommend doing this every 2 to 4 days, or whenever your next Zoom meeting is. Step number 3, wash your beard. Many people omit this step. I admit I haven't always done it, mostly due to laziness, but during lockdown I've stepped up my grooming routine. Because just like washing your body and hair, it's important to wash your beard as well. Now unlike your body, you don't actually need to wash your beard every day. I like to do it twice a week. I find that that's the ideal frequency for me to keep my beard fresh and clean without stripping away the essential oils that it naturally produces. And don't forget step number 4, moisturize. You don't want to use the same moisturizer you use for your face on your beard, as it's not made for facial hair. Instead, use a proper beard oil. Simply put a few drops of it on your hand, no need to put the whole bottle in, 3 or 4 drops is more than enough, and then rub it in there, making sure to moisturize both the beard and the skin beneath it. This will not only keep your beard moisturized, but it'll also leave it smelling really nice. This last step you should actually do daily. Some people even do it twice a day. Personally, I like to just do it in the evening after a warm shower, right after I do my skincare routine. And that, guys, is my beard care routine. Honestly, there is no better feeling than completing a full beard care routine and just feeling all freshened up, clean, and smelling nice. The beard grooming kit I'm currently using is from the Kinksy Gillette line from, obviously, Gillette, who I have partnered with for this video. I've actually been using them for about a year or so now, so I've been testing these products thoroughly and would not be recommending them if I didn't think they were top quality. The trimmer and what they call the shave and edging razor are honestly the best I've tried in my 12 or so years of shaving. Just make sure to use a drop of the shaving gel and that blade's gonna go smooth as butter. Anyways, I'll link to everything in the description, guys, so if you'd like to check them out, feel free. And on that note, I wish you a beautiful day, keep on dressing with intention, and keep that beard trimmed. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.